Hello and welcome to IABM TV. I'm delighted to be joined by Johan Görsjö, Product and Engineering Director at Agama Technologies. Johan, welcome.
Thank you, Darren.
Agama is set to present its latest developments in video observability and analytics solutions at IBC, aligning with the evolving dynamics of the video market. Can you tell me about the focus you have for this year's show?
Our focus is going to be our end-to-end video observability platform, of course. And we're showcasing some big news at the show, and with the launch of our version 10 of our platform. So firstly, I would say product analytics. So product analytics, that allows you to understand how a consumer uses a digital service. So what features are being used, how do they find content, how do they navigate in the app, and so on. But also, what is the performance of different subsystems and so on, and do any errors occur, and so on. So with product analytics, you can get a holistic understanding, you can take data-driven decisions, and that covers a broad spectrum of stakeholders. So it can be business analysts, UI analysts, dev specialists, product management, and DevOps. So we are very excited to be launching this at IBC. We are also launching ad analytics capabilities in the platform. So that provides insights both for ad operations as well as understanding ad performance for different consumer platforms, regions, and services. So that is also something that we're really excited to showcase to our customers. In version 10, we are also adding AI functionalities. So we are adding intelligence across the platform for different use cases. And that includes then explain my data type of functionality, as well as being able to interact with our technical support documentation. And we are also presenting integration capabilities with CDN routing. We're doing usability and performance enhancements and new visualizations, such as our thumbnail timeline in our analyzer probes. So I think we have a lot of exciting news at IBC.
Well, that's good to hear. And you know, you just mentioned there about AI and AI powered insights. Where does Agama stand in terms of AI?
Yeah, so AI, I mean, that's clearly the buzzwords of this year's IBC for sure, and in tech in general, I would say. So we believe that AI has huge potential to benefit all kinds of workflows and all kinds of processes. But we are still a bit away from, let's call it, general intelligence. But still, it is hugely valuable. So we are deploying what we're calling an augmented AI strategy. So that means basically that we are adding intelligence on a use case per use case basis, tailored for those use cases. And that can be, for instance, capabilities such as explain my data. So one example is that we have added this into our product analytics functionality. So after you have done a product analytics query, you're getting results, and then the AI can help you and look at that data, explain trends, and also put it in context. So compare it with expected values and expected volumes of different events, for instance. So it's really something that can help you and broaden the use, I believe, of different functionalities. So you don't have to be an expert in everything to start getting value from it. Another AI capability that's I think we'll see used pretty broadly is talk to the documentation style functionality. So that streamlines on how you can find the information, and you can ask questions about it in a more free way, and make you use a platform such as ours more efficiently. You have an easier way to find information. Not everyone is comfortable reading technical documentation, of course. So looking forward to see this being used broadly among our customers. And if you look at AI in general here, we believe in a continued strong development. The pace of the development the last few years has been pretty amazing to me. And I think we will see enhancements both in the foundation, so the models will be smarter, but we also see enhancements in, let's call it AI engineering. How can you apply it in different use cases and so on? And as I mentioned, even though we are some years away from a general intelligence, the huge values here can be created by deploying AI capabilities across products.
And can you share specific examples Agama has worked on during this year and how you have helped service providers make better decisions and have more control over their data?
Yeah, so I think I'll have two examples here that I believe could be relevant for this audience. First, we have worked very closely with an operator, a telco, to consolidate their different analytics workflows and also replace legacy solutions, as well as some own developed systems into a single platform. So that means that all relevant information, all the different insights are in a single place for everyone. So helping them work more efficiently. And as a byproduct of that, of course, that you have full control over the data and can put policies in place on how it's going to be used by different stakeholders and groups. So by doing this has allowed them to streamline many different things of their daily work. So you can streamline integrations on different types of devices. You can get a consolidated view of all video services, regardless of the platform. Doesn't matter if it's an app, connected TV, or a set-top box. What is the different networks that these services are being deployed on. You get a holistic view in a single place. And all of this has helped them to streamline their operations and streamline their processes and get to a better and a new level of insights for them. But of course, when you consolidate, it's very, very important to be open to all of their different workflows. So for instance, integrating with their different analytics workflows that also happen to happen outside of our platform is very important. So this openness, strong integration capabilities, also an important part of this project. And I would say also that one big success factor in this project has been working very closely with them, adapting to their different workflows. Every operator is slightly different. It's not a cookie cutter out there, and being adapted to their needs. So that has been really helpful here. Another project in terms of creating insights here is we have been working with an operator on integrating Agama Insights with their CDN routing. So that basically means what CDN would serve different content for different types of customers. So this integration helps the CDN routing to take better decisions by having more proactive information, proactive insights available for them that they wouldn't have with a traditional setup. So that means that it can manage capacity, they can handle different error situations, network quality, streaming outages, etc. All in all, resulting in a better end user experience. And this is something that we have worked together with a partner here and our customer, and we will be showcasing more information at IBC about this. So stay tuned for more about this. I think very exciting use case.
Interesting. And as you mentioned, consolidating systems has been a hot topic for a while now. And now, obviously, AI is an industry trend that, as you said earlier, we'll probably see more of at this year's IBC.
Yeah.
What else do you think will stand out on the show floor this year?
Yeah. Based on what I've seen so far, I actually think that number 1, 2, and 3 on the show floor will be AI. I think we will all hear it a bit too much. and will be deployed across, from production, of course, to processing, delivery, and consumption. And I don't really see any strong technology trend that can compete with that. But I think that we're coming back to efficiency, agility, cost control. The economy is what it is. Interest rates have changed things. There is the free money supply in tech has been a bit cut off. So I think that will be maybe a big part, managing cost, making sure that you can do what you need to do, but perhaps with a bit smaller teams and a bit more of focus on the core.
Johan, one final question. If any of our viewers want to pop along and see Agama at IBC, what hall are you in?
We are in Hall 1.
Johan, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.